Hello everyone. Today in this video, you will learn how to create a catalog on the e-commerce Manage and assign it to your WhatsApp account. It's very easy and simple. Let's see how to do that. First go to Connect Account and check your WhatsApp account enabled all the required permissions. Catalog Management, Business Management, WhatsApp Business Management, WhatsApp Business Messaging. If any permission not available, you have to enable that permission. Go to business.facebook.com/settings. Select System User. And then select Generate New Token. Select App and then select Token Expiration as Never. Select all the required permissions. Click Generate New Token. Copy the token. Paste it in Access Token. Then go to developer.facebook.com. Click API Setup. Copy the WhatsApp Business Account ID and paste it in BotBee, and then click Connect button. That's it. And then we will create a catalog in the e-commerce managers. Go to business.facebook.com. Click on All Tools menu. Then select Commerce. It will redirect you to the Commerce Manager. From the top right corner, click on the profile and select your business account. Next, click on the Get Started button. Select Create a Catalog option, and then click on the Get Started button again. Choose the catalog type as e-commerce. Select online or local products based on your business type. Then click Next. There are two upload methods available. The first one is to manually upload products, and the other one is to connect a partner platform. You can connect your stores like Shopify and BigCommerce to import products automatically. For now, we will use the manual method. In the Catalog Owner section, select your business if you have multiple businesses. Then give a name to the catalog and click on the Create button. Now click on View Catalog. Now click on the Manage button. Then click on the Add Items button to add products to your catalog. You can choose any of the options provided to add products. Let's add products manually. Click on the Next button. Click on the Image button to upload images. You can upload multiple images. You can also add more images later if needed. Then enter the title and description of the product. We will use the same title as on our website. Enter the website link where your product exists. Provide the price. Finally, click on the Upload Items button. Let's add one more product. Now let's see how to add catalog using Data Feed. Go to WordPress Admin Dashboard and select Plugin. Install plugin called Product Feed. Add new feed and follow the procedure. Go to All Product Feed, and then select View. Copy the URL. Go to Facebook Business Manager and then select Commerce Manager. Click Add Catalog. Select Data Feed. Paste the URL that copied from WooCommerce Store. Wait some times. It will take some minutes to sync the data. Yes, product feeded successfully. Go to Issues and check is there any warning and errors. Yes, everything perfect. Go to Menu and select WhatsApp Manager. Select Catalog under Account Tools. Choose Catalog. Now let's see how to use the catalog on WhatsApp by using the BotBee. First go to BotBee and then go to Connect Account, then go to the WhatsApp account, just click on the Synchronize button. Synchronized successfully. Now let's go to the e-commerce catalog. Yes, the catalog has been imported to the BotBee. Here is the name of the catalog and ID. There is an option to enable and disable the public status. In the actions, there is an option to view the catalog products. You can synchronize any products that have been added later, or have been updated. Select products, and click on the Synchronize button. You can also synchronize the full catalog by clicking this option. You can copy the catalog URL to share with your users. You can also remove the catalog by clicking on the Delete button. Then there is Message Template and Settings. From here you can edit the message for the checkout URL and reminder. Let's click to edit a message. You can rewrite the message, but don't change the checkout URL. You have to add the payment method to the payment settings. There are several payment methods that you can use for your catalog. Then there is cart setting. You can add tax percentage if there is any. Also include the shipping charge if applicable. Then there is a webhook. You can use third-party webhook to sync data. Then there is an option to send an abandoned cart reminder message. You can set the time from the drop-down list. Then you can assign label for users. Let's test the catalog by placing the order. Select the product and add to cart. Select cart and click Send to Business button. Now you will receive the checkout URL. Click the URL and then place the order. Yes, order placed successfully. And you will receive the confirmation message. Then go to BotBee dashboard. Here you can see order details. So this is how you can create a catalog on the Commerce Manager. And add the catalog to your WhatsApp account. Thank you for watching the video.